Hey traders, welcome to the Science on Forex YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to become a profitable trader by explaining multi-time frame technical analysis and order flow perspective. Now not waste any more time, let's go to the strength in the chart to find some good trading opportunities. Okay, so today I am going to talk about Euro USD and the reason for which I want to break down Euro USD because we are very near to having a good trading opportunity, obviously capitalize on Euro USD. So I want to create full breakdown that usual I will be keeping as educational as possible. So first of all I speaking about the technical aspect of this market. So I will be breaking down the technical for Euro USD and we will then going to see what we have from commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market, and obviously it will help to you how to combine technical analysis and sentiment analysis correctly. By the end of video, by using the combination of our technical and order flow perspective, we will be able to understand where are the best probabilities for the next movement on Euro USD. Okay, let's jump into the chart. Now starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see in the market. We consider the monthly market had just provided nice impulse to the upside. After impulse, market should create corrective pattern before another impulse. Currently market processing corrective pattern before another big move to the upside. In this area have nice resistance which is now turned into the support level. So here on the monthly we had a perfect impulse correction to the retest which is the previous resistance now turned into the support, and this point we can expect is the continuation to the upside for the creation of higher high and completion of impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. Going down into the weekly time frame, what do we have? Here on the weekly a quite interesting structure. We can see that the market really just tested and rejected the quite aggressively this zone to the upside, and currently we have breaking back above the support impact this area was quite strong support. Here the market break below. Now the market break above, and that point we can expect this for the market provide even more continuation to the upside. Now this weekly candle here has just closed back above the previous support, which means this area is now again support. Why I say that? This area after the market broken and closed below it with this red candle here now turn resistant. We know in the market previous support broken down to the downside. We expected on this support area which is now turned into the resistance, but market not react on this area. We can say that is fake breakout. After fake breakout, we can expect market should retest on this area before market move to the upside. Going down into the daily time frame, what do we see? We can see very quite interesting price action in daily time frame. Now testing strong resistance area, as well as we can see very nice pattern. You have moved to the downside, after that correction and impulse. So in this here market move to the upside and now testing nice resistance, because when you see impulse correction and lower low and equal high, what we expect after that market provide retracement before the continuation to the upside. Basically we creation inverted head and shoulder pattern, which mean in the daily time frame we can expect market should move to the downside to this support area before continuation to the upside. As well as we can see very nice red candle. If market created this shape of candle, market should fill in the wick before continuation to the upside. If we going to see commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing in this market, What we can see in the last report, net position has increased net position from 137k to 140k with added 4k longs and only 800 short. Currently we have 220.9k longs and 18.7k short from institutional perspective. Overall, Euro USD is strong to get quite bullish. However, Euro USD market moved to the downside in short term and accumulation more longs in this area, and after that market continues to the upside. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame combined with core data are the best time frame for measure direction of this market. When we come to the confirmation and enter to the trade, the best time frame is 4-hour time frame. So what we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective in this area. Currently we have 4-hour bullish market waiting for the convert 4-hour bullish market to the 4-hour bearish market for the enter to the valid sell trade. Trading is a risky business. Please be careful with your money. If enjoy the video, make sure press like button and comment below. Literally that it will support the creation more video, improve your knowledge. We will see you next video. Thank you.